If you're looking for an activity gym that's not only cute, but also stimulates your baby's developmental growth, everything from teething to learning how to focus to understanding cause and effect and more, then you will love the award-winning Play Gym by Lovevery. It was designed by child development experts to grow with your child stage by stage, covering your baby's whole first year of play. So you can spend more time bonding and playing with your baby and less time researching. Plus, there's a brand new Lovevery accessory that will add even more multisensory exploration to their gym time. More on that in a bit. The Play Gym itself takes only 2 minutes to set up and requires no tools. That's a major perk for this non-handy mom. And everything is made from sustainably harvested wood, organic cotton, and non-toxic materials. The mat reveals and conceals in 5 separate developmental zones to promote learning, making sounds, learning to focus, how things feel, hiding and finding, and exploring colors. It also includes 4 removable accessories: a high-contrast Montessori ball shaped for grasping, passing from hand to hand, and rolling, a cotton teether perfect for their little gums to mouth, a wooden batting ring designed for grasping and batting, which also includes bell and castanet sounds, and BPA-free silicone rings for safe, comfortable teething. The gym also comes with a black and white card set for those first 12 weeks when babies are stimulated by high contrast, a mirror card set, because we all know babies love to look at themselves, am I right? A common object card set, which is good for reinforcing your baby's first words with everyday objects. And a faces card set. Since babies are naturally curious about other babies, it's a great way to build a vocab with friendly faces. One of my favorite things included is the play space cover, which turns the gym into a cozy fort. I just love watching my son discover imaginative play with it, and my 3.5-year-old for that matter. What's super helpful is that the gym comes with a play guide, which basically gives parents ideas on how to play and explains the developmental purpose of each activity. Plus, Lovevery is offering a new Play Gym accessory, the Sensory Strands, which are thoughtfully designed by child development experts to encourage cognitive and multi-sensory exploration. The strands can help develop motor skills and even encourage tactile and auditory stimulation. They're made from organic cotton and non-toxic materials and can safely and securely attach to the Play Gym in less than 30 seconds. Your baby will have a blast learning, feeling the textures and sensations, gripping and reaching, playing peekaboo. This is a really fun and creative add-on that can be purchased separately. The Lovevery Play Gym makes understanding the developmental growth of your baby super accessible and gives you the confidence as a parent that you're helping your baby learn and grow with an approach that's simple and fun. I would highly recommend adding the Lovevery Play Gym and Sensory Strands to your baby list.